You're searching for how to buy shares of Codan Ltd, listed as CDA.ASX. Codan is an Australian manufacturer of communications and detection equipment listed on CBOE-AUS, and this clip is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CDA.ASX or the company name to locate the exact listing. Make sure you select the listing that matches Codan Ltd on the CBOE-AUS. On the stock page, check the basic company summary and inspect the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Verify company details and listing information before proceeding. To place a trade, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount or number of shares you want, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to view the platform used in this example.